Thank you, Mr Speaker. I rise today to acknowledge the partnership between West Moreton Health and the University of Southern Queensland and their joint research efforts in support of prostate cancer survivors. On the 2nd of March, I was honoured to be invited to USQ Ipswich to witness the signing of a renewed Memorandum of Understanding, which cemented their ongoing commitment to joint research. At the signing, USQ and West Moreton Health officially launched their new pilot program, helping prostate cancer survivors cope with the often devastating side effects of cancer treatment. Prostate cancer is one of the 6 most common cancers in the West Moreton region. On average, around 205 cases of prostate cancer are diagnosed each year in West Moreton, and an average of 22 deaths per year are recorded. And while it's great to see prostate cancer survival rates increasing, there are still many challenges that prostate cancer survivors face in the wake of their successful treatment. For instance, 1 in 5 prostate cancer survivors will struggle with anxiety and depression, and up to 40% of men experience poorer quality of life over the long term. To improve outcomes for survivors, USQ and West Moreton Health have launched the West Moreton Health Prostate Cancer Survivorship Program. This is an online platform delivering care, real-time condition monitoring and virtual at-home appointments with a clinical nurse. Professor Jeff Dunn, AO, who is leading the program, says that the program will help keep survivors out of hospital and supported at home, where they'll be encouraged to be active in their treatment plans. I am so pleased to see this pilot program take off in Ipswich. It builds on the important work that's already been done by the Ipswich Prostate Cancer Support Group, which has been providing advocacy and support to men with prostate cancer and prostate cancer survivors since 2004. I wish to acknowledge the great work done by Len Lamprecht, who started the Ipswich Prostate Cancer Support Group and was the convener up until last year. There's not a single elected representative in that time that hasn't met with Len. He's tenacious in his advocacy, and I take my hat off to him. The new convener, Dennis Ellis, is filling his shoes very well and doing great work as well. The group's advocacy and support has been an immense help to men and families impacted by prostate cancer. Len Lamprecht and the group have worked very hard over the past 17 years to build up relationships with West Moreton Health, Ipswich Hospital and a range of prostate health specialists and professionals. Their work has helped ensure Ipswich men get the best level of care they need. I do want to finish off, Mr Speaker, by also thanking USQ for their investment in Ipswich. Since establishing their Ipswich campus in 2015, they've developed a great relationship with our community and they've shown a real commitment to Ipswich. Last month I attended, along with my colleagues, the member for Bundamba and Ipswich West and Jordan, the opening of their brand new School of Law and Justice at the Ipswich campus, the first law school ever to open in our city. It's a great win for Ipswich students who want to study law locally and develop connections with our local legal community, and I look forward to Ipswich's new law school partnering with our local community.
Mr Deputy Speaker.
I call the member for Gregory.
Mr Deputy Speaker,